promises to be every bit as entertaining as the last one was. Yuri Zakhariev awaits in the semi-finals the winner of this contest between Kyrgyzstan and Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan in red, Kyrgyzstan in blue. Mursal against Nishonov. Yet again, frenetic start. Nishonov looking to be the aggressor, but Mursal defending quite well, but forced onto the back foot a couple of times already inside the first 20 seconds. Great aggressive intent. Maybe the Kyrgyz boxer here looking to finish this as early as possible. Nishonov wants to land a couple of decisive blows early on. He's probably not watched the previous bout, because we saw in that Kanchiavei was the one who started much more aggressively and led for 2 of those rounds, but in the end it was Yuri Zakhariev and his tenacity which won the day. Something that Kazakhstan's Mursal here can take a little bit of inspiration from. A great ferocious intent about Nishonov right from the start. Mursal almost like a punching bag. Attacking him from every front. Poaching him all over this ring. Sometimes when you start with this high intensity, it can work against you. The longer the bout goes, the longer the opponent is able to stay on his feet and defend. At the moment, that's a bit of a challenge for Mursal though. Nishonov has rocked up for a fight and he's definitely taking it to Mursal. Turn examination of Nurbek Mursal's defense this opening round, the way that the man in blue has been going after him. Nishonov, Ikhtiar Nishonov from Kyrgyzstan. Point to prove, it seems. I think it's a safe call that this first round will probably go the way of the wrestler, or rather the boxer in blue. The way that he's been moving, the way that he's been punching. Going to be a welcome break for Mursal, because it's been 3 minutes of relentless. Entertaining so far. And Nishonov straight away looking to make his mark in the second round as well. Comes out punching. start, but just looking like he's a little more keen now to mix a bit of defense every now and then. What he has also done, he's also tired Mursal out, because Mursal has been looking to evade those punches, sway out of the way, run all over the ring. That itself can be a tiring experience. It can also drain the energies in terms of giving adequate counter punches out of you. Has him on the ropes. Couple of good punches yet again from Nishonov. Good aggression all the way through. Down to ground, but not quite in the manner that Mursal needs his opponent to go down. Because yet again it's Nishonov who's seemingly dictating terms in the second round as well, and we have seen often today's play as well. Once one boxer snaps up 2 rounds, then it's very difficult to take the remainder of the match off them. Nishonov continues to pummel away. Last minute of the second round. As Mursal can devise a different game plan, it does look like he could be swept in terms of all 3 rounds. Really taking quite a beating from his slightly shorter opponent. Slightly a better phase of play the last few seconds from Mursal, but not able to sustain it long enough. Continues to be Nishonov. Oh, what does Nishonov have up his sleeve? Been quite hectic, frenetic from him as well. Lost a lot of energy in the process. Does he have it in him to continue in this high tempo fashion for another 2.5 minutes or so? Mursal is defending well. This is good situational awareness. Knows that he's got the slight advantage in terms of that one judge in his favor. All he needs to do is avert something disastrous happening to him. Looking to pull Nishonov into the corners as often as possible. Close to the ropes, he knows that he can just use that rope as leverage and bounce back and throw a couple of counters. rope-a-dope that was famous with erstwhile Cassius Clay, aka Muhammad Ali. You just use that artificial support almost. Come at your opponent from those corners. Halfway through this third round, it's Nishonov who's chasing the bout. Trying his best, but he's a bit of a tired mess at the moment. Not quite able to generate that same hand speed as he was doing in the first round. And Mursal is defending quite adequately in that sense. Fabulous boxing this entire evening session. We have seen so many instances of the game is never lost. Just need to hang in there to make slight strategic tweaks, and then the match can come back in your favor. Now he's landed a couple of decent punches as well, Mursal. It's slipping away from Nishonov. The finish line in sight for Nurbek Mursal of Kazakhstan. Ikhtiar Nishonov started like a freight train, but he's just gone a bit off track. Time running out as well for Nishonov. Into the last 10 seconds. I think Mursal is about to pull off quite the most remarkable comeback victory. But it's never over till it's over.